During monsoon, I suppose Swiss cheese plant to be the best than any other plant. Its voluminous foliage and leaf design and beautiful texture makes the plant unique amongst other plants, though there are no flowers. I love this plant a lot. It's a no care, no maintenance plant. Simply pot the plant, shower daily, and go for a nap. You won't believe it's really a very easy growing plant. Swiss cheese or Monstera adansonii is appreciated by the people for its leaf design and easy growth. The plant can be grown as a trailing plant or as a hanging basket plant or upon a moss stick. This pot is with me more than 2 years, growing pretty well. But if you see this plant during winter, you will just cry, as if it's a skeleton without a single leaf. Winter is the dormant period for Monstera adansonii. We'll give you the follow up when the plant will shed leaves. I will suggest no specific soil type nor any fertilizer. You can go for any soil, any fertilizer. No need to add fertilizer if you want this sort of growth, as in my garden, as in this plant. Then you keep the plant under open sky, under lots of rain with no sunshine. Rain shower is the best for its growth. The stems are growing out of their way without any direction, scattering anywhere to hold up another plant similar to its nature. Okay, for beginners, let me tell them, use pebbles underneath pot. Add sand, leaf compost, garden soil, coco peat and vermicompost is optional. You can if you wish. There is no root rot issue for this plant, but under extensive rain there may be a difference. Behind you can see it's raining so heavily, and so I muted the background sound. Okay, now about the water requirement. However, if you want to know what I have done, then I can say that in spite of moist soil, I give a good shower to my Swiss cheese plant. She is a very obedient child of mine. Some days back, I didn't shower the plant. There were 3 yellow leaves found the other day. Then I again started showering the plant, but not much as the soil is moist. You have to only give a single shower, but don't drench the plant. Cities having less rain can keep the plant under open sky but not under direct sunlight. When temperature is high, shower the plant, it will grow happily. This year the stems are growing extensively long, really don't know what to do. We'll not cut the stems. We should let the plant grow. We pay a lot of effort, isn't it? Just to get this sort of growth. So I want to please myself by watching and sharing the plant growth. We'll wind up the stems to the bamboo fence behind where the passiflora is growing, just waiting for the flower bloom. It's a deep maroon, lovely looking flower. We'll give you the update. Let the flower bloom. The aerial roots and green stems are growing side by side. The brown one is the aerial root and the green one is the stem. I don't know why I have an affinity towards this picture of the plant. I love watching this winding up of the stem into the moss stick. Maybe this is why I don't have any hanging pot of Monstera. Propagation of the plant is very easy. It grows through stem cuttings. Cut stems and have at least 2 nodes. Keep them in a glass of water until root formation. It doesn't take time for root growth. Within a month you will find profuse roots. Then place it in the soil. Plants will grow soon. No pest attack at all. You don't have to take extra care for pests and aphids, but slugs appear often to chew the leaves. Monstera adansonii is a very easy growing plant. You can add this plant to your garden. As such, there are no problems in Swiss cheese. Sometimes leaves may be yellow, but that happens due to irregular watering. Don't keep the plant under direct sunlight. Sometimes leaves become yellow due to overexposure of sunlight. So I hope this episode will help you to know about Monstera adansonii. So don't miss to subscribe and hit the bell button. Please do let me know your feedback. Watch other videos too. You can check it on my playlist. So bye friends. Stay connected. Happy gardening.